Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix File Explorer not responding in Windows 11. So the first thing that you want to do, guys, to solve this problem is to go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Within Task Manager, you want to locate the Explorer or the Windows Explorer. Once you find it, just simply click on it, right click, and simply do a restart. Once you restart this, you will notice that your File Explorer or your screen will blink, and then you will need to test to see if File Explorer is working for you. Now, if that does not fix the problem, let's move on to another solution. Now, for the second method that I'm about to share with you guys, this is basically to reset and clear File Explorer history. And what you want to do, just simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and click on Run. And you want to go ahead and type in Control Folders. Click and enter on your keyboard. It's going to open up this File Explorer options and just simply click on Clear and reset to default, right? Then you want to click on Apply and click on OK from here. Now, for the last method that I'm about to share with you guys, this is basically the re-register File Explorer, right? So just simply go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and simply type in CMD. Once you go ahead and find CMD, right click on it and run that as administrator. You'll have your user control pop up. You'll have a user account control there. Click on yes to ensure that this is run within administrator. Now you want to go ahead and type the following command. You'll find it within the description of this video. Simply hit enter from here. It's going to run it for you. Once that is done, simply close out, and you want to go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard and click the power button on the lower right hand side and restart your PC. Once you do that, you should realize that your File Explorer issues should be fixed. Now, I hope one of these three solutions will solve your problem. They've worked for me in the past, and so I hope they'll work for you. And best of luck, guys. If you find value within this video, give this video a like. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future helpful tutorials just like this one.